We'll guide you through how to make 3D block AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by launching AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open a drawing by clicking New to create a new drawing or Open to access an existing .dwg file. Change the view to an isometric view by using the View cube or selecting an isometric view from the View controls so you can clearly see the three-dimensional model. Next, create a three-dimensional object by clicking the 3D Tools tab and selecting an object such as box, or open an existing three-dimensional object that you want to convert into a block. Make sure the object is complete and positioned correctly before continuing. Click inside the command line, type block, and press enter to open the block definition dialog box. In the name field, enter a unique name for the new 3D block. Click the Pick Point button and select a base point on the model that will be used as the insertion point for the block. Next, click the Select Objects button and select all the three-dimensional objects that will become part of the block. Press Enter after selecting the objects to return to the Block Definition dialog box. Review the selected base point and object selection to ensure they are correct. In the Objects section, choose whether to retain, convert, or delete the original objects after creating the block. Enable Open in Block Editor if you want to edit the block immediately, then click OK. Select the new 3D block to verify it was created successfully. To insert another copy, type Insert, choose the block name, specify the insertion point, scale, and rotation, then place the block in the drawing. Your 3D block is now ready to reuse in other parts of the project.